Channel 4 now.
New information about the man who says he shot this teenager in self-defense during an argument last month at a Southside gas station over loud music. Good evening, everyone. Michael Dunn has just been indicted on a first-degree murder charge of the shooting death of Jordan Davis. We just received this indictment from the state attorney's office.
That's right. The upgraded charge certainly suggests that prosecutors believe that the teenager's murder was not committed in self-defense, as Dunn has claimed. A grand jury returned the indictment today, along with 3 other counts of attempted first-degree murder. There were 3 other people in the car the night that Dunn fired into it. Now, this news comes as Davis's father prepares to launch his campaign to make stricter gun laws in our state. Channel 4's Vic Michelucci talked with him about this weekend's event. Vic's joining us now live.
Jen, ever since this shooting, Jordan Davis's father, Ron, has advocated for stricter gun laws here in the state of Florida and all across the country. He's also advocated for the repeal of Florida's Stand Your Ground law. He says he's going to be holding this vigil and rally this weekend to make Jacksonville and Florida's streets safer. But he says most importantly is to honor his son who was killed last month, and that is why he is holding it here at Friendship Fountain Park, which he says was one of Jordan Davis's favorite places to go.
People that will come out and remember him and talk about him, they're able to do so, kind of get in touch with other people that feel the same way about this was a senseless shooting.
Jordan Davis's father hopes this weekend will spread his message that gun laws are too loose here in Florida, and had they been stronger, he says his son may still be alive today. Police say Michael Dunn fired into the SUV 17-year-old Jordan and his friends were sitting in at this gate gas station last month after an argument over loud music. Dunn's lawyers are considering using Stand Your Ground as a defense because they say the boys pointed a gun at their client. Police have not confirmed those claims. Davis's death has garnered national and international attention, but his friends and family say the death is more than just a news story.
A lot of friends will be at the vigil. A lot of people will say they're coming to the vigil on Saturday.
Aaliyah Davis organized a barbecue last weekend and said she'll be at the vigil and rally this Saturday. It's not only to honor a classmate, but also to help cope with his death.
It's been a really tough time, so us getting through this together by doing the vigil and doing the cookout and just all being together is what helping us really cope with this.
Ron Davis's lawyers say this weekend's event will mark the kickoff of a new campaign called Kill Guns, Not People.
Guns are being used in ways that they're not supposed to be used. And that's what Ron wants to emphasize. The rest of his life, he'll probably dedicate to repealing the Stand Grounds law. He wants to have Jordan's law, which forbids people from using guns the way Mr. Dunn used his gun. And
it changes society, it changes the community. And if my son can do something like that and maybe create a Jordan's law or something similar to that, that is helping society and help change society the way we think about people shooting and putting our kids in harm's way, then I'll be happy with that.
So the vigil is this Saturday evening from 7 o'clock until 8:30. Mr. Davis says it is free and open to the public, and he hopes everyone who wants to make it is able to get out here. Live on the South Bank, I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.
Vic, I know that we got this information fairly late this afternoon, just a few minutes ago. In fact, have you had a chance to call Mr. Davis and ask him what his opinion is of these upgraded charges considering the Stand Your Ground defense?
I did, Jen. He's actually in New York City right now taping a television segment that's going to be on national cable news because he's trying to spread his word and his stance out there. He says right now he really doesn't have any comment and he doesn't have any emotions. He says, I'm upset that my son passed away. I'm worried about other children and other families being in the same situation, and I am going to leave the legal situation and all these charges against Mr. Dunn to the lawyers and the judge.
Vic Michelucci joining us live from the South Bank. Thank you, Vic.
A thread posted on Facebook.